Hello children, welcome back to your maths class. Let us start today's video. Class 4, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 4, Parameter and Area, Lecture number 1. Children, from today onwards we are going to start chapter number 4. This is our new chapter. 3 we have earlier done. And this is our chapter number 4. And in this series, this is our lecture number 1. So the chapter name is Parameter and Area. I think this is a new concept for you. So please watch this video carefully. If you face any difficulty, kindly ask to me and repeatedly watch the video. अगर आप बार बार इसको रिपीट करके देखोगे तो आपको अच्छे से समझ आएगी. So let's get started. Subtopic of today's video are, let us see, these are as follow. Perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of triangle. Exercise for A. Few of the sums we will do in this lecture. Okay children, so let me introduce perimeter first. What is perimeter? And today children we will only do perimeter. Area we will do in the next one. Okay, so let me tell you what is perimeter. Perimeter is made up of two words, peri plus metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed figure. Okay, perimeter is made up of two words, two Latin words, that is made up of peri plus metron. Peri का मतलब होता है around, मतलब कि चारों ओर, and metron means measure. So basically if you will take the meaning in Hindi, तो हिंदी में क्या meaning होगा? चारों तरफ का नाप. Okay, so basic definition comes from both these words, that is perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed figure. Perimeter जो होता है वो किसी भी फिगर का, किसी भी क्लोज्ड फिगर का, ओपन की बात हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्लोज्ड फिगर हेयर. सो किसी भी क्लोज्ड फिगर का जो टोटल डिस्टेंस होता है, जो उसके चारों तरफ का जो डिस्टेंस होगा ना, दैट इज नोन एज पेरीमीटर. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, पेरी मीन्स चारों तरफ, अराउंड, एंड मैट्रन मीन्स मेजर. सो चारों तरफ का जब आप मेजरमेंट लोगे तो वो क्या होगा बेटा? पेरीमीटर. हियर इज अ शेप that is a rectangle. So let me show you. If you will take the measurement of this rectangle from all the sides, okay, अगर आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके इसका पूरा का पूरे इसको मेजर करोगे कि चारों तरफ से इसकी मेजरमेंट कितनी है, तो वो क्या होगा बेटा? पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ द लेंथ्स ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. सो बेसिक you can say how to calculate the perimeter. So it is the foremost formula you can say कि आप पैरामीटर को काउंट करने का या पैरामीटर को फाइंड आउट करने का ये इनिशियल फॉर्मूला होता है, सम ऑफ द लेंथ्स ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. ऑल साइड्स किसकी साइड? शेप की साइड. ओके, तो किसी भी शेप की सारी लेंथ्स का सम. सम मीन्स टोटल. ओके, सारी लेंथ्स का. बेटा कैसे होगा? अगर आप इसके चारों तरफ का आप पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो, सो व्हाट इनिशियल थिंग यू हैव टू डू, आप इसको ऐड करोगे, इसको ऐड कर लोगे, इसको ऐड करोगे और इसको ऐड करोगे. सो इन दिस लाइन इट इज डिफाइंड सम ऑफ ऑल द लेंथ्स, सम ऑफ द लेंथ्स ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. ओके, सारी साइड्स की लंबाई का नाप. दिस इज नोन एज लेंथ and this is known as breadth. लंबाई, चौड़ाई. कोई चीज कितनी चौड़ी है और कितनी लंबी है. Of a closed figure. That was missed. No worries. So complete if you will say sum of the lengths of all side of a closed figure. ये बाद में आया है, it doesn't matter. ये मैंने आपको यहाँ ऊपर ही आपको फिगर आउट कर दिया था कि क्लोज्ड फिगर का. ओके, सो ये दिस इज अ कंप्लीट डेफिनेशन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, Now let us count perimeter of square. Initially we will find out the perimeter of square. Suppose you are having a field that's the shape of that field is square. Okay, या आपके पास कोई भी बड़ा सा स्क्वायर बॉक्स है या आपका जो रूम है वो स्क्वायर शेप का है, तो आपको उसका पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करना है. आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? Perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. Okay, सारी sides का sum होती है. Okay, so here I am having a shape. The name of the shape is square. Square shape है मेरे पास. Okay, इसका हमें perimeter find out करना है. बेटा you have to keep remember peri means around. It means जब आप चारों तरफ का निकालोगे ना वो perimeter होगा. Okay, this is side, one side, this is side, this is side, and this is also side. It means you can say length, breadth, length and breadth, but मैंने यहाँ पे इसको side mention किया, no worries. Perimeter is equal to s plus s plus s plus s. अब मैम ने 4 टाइम s क्यों राइट किया? This question will raise in your mind. This is as because मैम ने बोला है कि आपको 4 साइड्स को ऐड करना है ना, so you have to add this one, so it is s. You have to add this side, second s. You have to add this side, third s. S is denoting side, okay, and this one more s. Total 4s means 4 sides. Now 4s, 4 multiply by lengths of a side. Now what will you do बेटा? देखो 4 टाइम s को आप ऐड करो, मीन्स साइड को आप ऐड करो, या आप इसको थोड़ा स्मार्ट वर्क कैसे कर सकते हो, 4 टाइम s, क्योंकि सारे टाइम तो सेम लेंथ होगी, स्क्वायर में सबकी सेम लेंथ होती है. ओके, सो ऑल द टाइम सेम लेंथ वुड बी देयर, सो यू कैन डू 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4s. दैट मीन्स 4s का मीनिंग क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ 4s? इट मीन्स 4 multiply by lengths of a side. It means side की length. Okay, so एक side की आपको length राइट करनी होगी और ये वन साइड की लेंथ होगी, बट आपको 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इट मीन्स आप ए की लेंथ को 4 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करो. बेटा 4 टाइम इसको ऐड करो, सपोज s प्लस एस प्लस एस प्लस एस, और आप लिख सकते हो स्मार्टली 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय लेंथ ऑफ द साइड और लेंथ ऑफ अ साइड. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. इफ इट इज नॉट, रिपीट द वीडियो. ओके चिल्ड्रन, अगर क्लियर नहीं होता है वीडियो को प्लीज रिपीट करके देखो. Okay children, now let us take example. Find the perimeter of given square. This is the square given over there. You have to find out the perimeter of it. As you all know that all the sides are equal of a square. So this side is 5 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 5 kilometer and 5 kilometer. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiply by length of a side. Okay, or you can say 4 into side. Let us put the values. 4 multiply by 5, as the length of one side is equal to 5 kilometer. Okay, 4 multiply by 5 is equal to 20 kilometer. So answer is 20 kilometer. Unit is kilometer. In answer we will write kilometer. Okay children. Perimeter of rectangle. Now here we have the second shape, that is rectangle. आपने स्क्वायर का निकालना सीखा, अब हम सीखते हैं रेक्टेंगल का कैसे हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ हियर आई एम गोइंग टू टेल हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. ओके, द मेन डेफिनेशन ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज द ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. उसमें ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती है, स्क्वायर की तरह नहीं होती है ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. नो, ओनली opposite sides are equal. Got it children? Okay, here is the shape rectangle. this upside is equal to this one. It means you can say this is length, length, breadth, breadth. Okay, so this is length, that is denoting by L. आप पूरा नहीं राइट करोगे LENGTH, नो, पूरा नहीं राइट करते, ओनली L. L is denoting length. Breadth, B, length, breadth. So beta, here we are having one length, one breadth, one length, one breadth. Okay, so parameter is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. Okay, this length plus length, breadth plus breadth. Beta, you are finding out parameter, and what does parameter definition says? Means a round मेजरमेंट. पैरामीटर की यही डेफिनेशन थी ना, चारों तरफ से मेजरमेंट. ओके, सो आप अगर चारों तरफ को मेजर करोगे तो आपको सबको ऐड करना होगा. इट मीन्स लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ प्लस ब्रेथ, और यू कैन से लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ प्लस लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. बेटा, बोथ द मीनिंग सेम, बोथ गिव्स अस सेम मीनिंग. ओके, नाउ हियर इज द फॉर्मूला डिराइव, या फॉर्मूला डिराइव करता है. द फॉर्मूला हम डेरिवेशन हम सीखेंगे. हाउ डू द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पैरामीटर डिराइव. ओके, फॉर्मूला कैसे निकलता है, लेट अस सी. लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ प्लस ब्रेथ. ओके, so if you will notice, there are two length, two breadth, is it? In short or smartly you can write it, P parameter is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth, where L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth. Okay, 2L आपने क्यों राइट किया? 2L मीन्स होता 2 टाइम लेंथ प्लस 2 टाइम ब्रेथ. ओके बेटा, 2 है ना, आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, देखो 1 2, 2 लेंथ, 1 2, 2 breadth. Okay, so here the formula derive 2 इसमें भी है, 2 इसमें भी है, तो आप बेटा 2 को आप कॉमन ले लेते हो. 2 को आप बाहर निकालोगे, ये ब्रैकेट में डालोगे L प्लस B. जब आप 2 दोनों में से कॉमन लोगे ना तो ये बाहर आएगा, बचेगा क्या? L प्लस B. I hope I am able to understand you properly. I hope you are getting my point. So L plus B, here like this the formula derive. Okay, अब ऐसे लिखो, better to write it like this. It is smart work, it is hard work. Okay, let us take example. Okay children, now let us take example. Find the parameter of given rectangle. You have to find out the parameter of this given rectangle. Okay children, so let us do. Parameter formula is 2 into L plus B. We speak this formula like this: 2 into L plus B. Okay, okay, now let us put the value in this formula. 2 will be same L plus B, means length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Now let us solve it. 2 would be same here, and children, whenever we are having bracket, so first of all we have to solve the bracket digits, later on the outer digits. Okay, so 2 will be same here, and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Now 2 into 8, it means 2 multiply by 8. हम every place पर multiply का sign put नहीं करते. Any digit along with bracket, it means that is in multiplication. So 2 multiply by 8 is equal to 16, and unit would be same centimeter. It is given here. Children, keep remember, answer must be in the same unit which is given in the question. जो unit question में बोली गई है, आंसर उसी यूनिट में आप दोगे. Is it clear? Okay, let's move ahead. Okay children, so now let us do find parameter of triangle. We will find out the parameter of triangle. This is the shape triangle, and this is not a regular figure. Whenever we are having irregular figure, we find out the parameter by the simple way, that is perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides, means AB plus BC plus CA. AB is one side, BC is second side, CA is third side. So AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, you can apply this one in all the shapes, but this is mostly applicable in irregular figures. Okay children, now let us find the perimeter of triangle. This is the triangle. This is not a regular figure, so regular figure नहीं होंगी तो आप कैसे find out करोगे? You know very well. Let us see. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of the lengths of sides. Sides की lengths का आप sum find out करोगे. Okay. So here you have to add 12 plus 9 plus 5. 12 plus 9 plus 5. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 21 plus 5, 26. So here you will write 26 m. M means meter. The perimeter is equal to 26 meter. Okay. Question in the question units are given in m, in meter. So you also have to write meter. Okay. You can't change the units. Okay children, now let us do exercise 4a. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the following figures. First figure is triangle, and for triangle I have told you this is not regular figure, means इसमें सारी sides equal नहीं है, so that is why we will apply the different formula that was I told to you. Sum of all sides of the triangle. This is common one for all the shapes. Sum of all the sides of figure ऐसा आप बोल सकते हो. Okay, for triangle you have to write here triangle. So the length of AB, length of AB, length of BC, length of CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Length of AB is equal to 3 cm, BC 5 cm, CA 4 cm. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 cm. Got it children? Exercise 4a, part B. This shape is rectangle, and how to find out the perimeter of rectangle? The formula you must have to learn. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here L stand for length, B stand for breadth. Now let us put the value in the formula. 2 into L plus B means 2 into 10 plus 4. For that we have to solve it. 2 would be same. 10 plus 4, 14. Now 2 multiply by 14. Into means multiply. So you have to multiply 2 by 14. यहाँ बोलेंगे मैम we don't know the table of 2. बेटा you can do reverse multiply also. 14 multiply by 2. So 14 2s are 28 centimeter. Answer is 28 centimeter. Okay children, now let us do part C. The shape is given. This is also not a regular shape. इसमें this is regular 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are total 8 sides, all are equal. But आपने इस shape का parameter आपने नहीं सीखा है. You have only understood the parameter of rectangle and square. So here we will apply the same as we do in triangle, means sum of the length of all the sides. Okay, so perimeter is equal to 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Where these three coming? Let us start from the top. 3 centimeter here, 3 centimeter here. Or you can do all the sides are equal, so let us count how many sides total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It means you have to add 3 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8. Okay, so you can do 3 8s are 24 centimeter. आप 3 को 8 टाइम ऐड करो और you can say 3 multiplied by 8, both are same. So answer is 24 centimeter. Okay, now let us do part D. This is part D, and parameter is equal to 2 centimeter plus 1.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 3, means all the sides you have to add. Okay children, so let us start with let us start with this side. 2 centimeter plus 1.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 1.5 is equal to 3.5. 3.5 2.5 होते बेटा 5. So 3.5 and 5, 8.5, 8.5 and 3. Let us see, 11.5. So answer is 11.5 centimeter. This is so simple addition. You can place it in vertical form and then add. But I didn't place it because it's a single digit addition, and as you are in a big class, so you can do it easily. Let us move ahead. Part E. Perimeter is equal to, there let it be, then I will explain you how this line came. Plus 5 plus 3 plus 12. Okay, let us start with this side. 3 centimeter, there 3 centimeter, then 5 centimeter. Okay, 1 second, wait a while. Yeah, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5, 3. In a particular direction if you will move, so it would be easy to count. अगर आप कहीं कहीं से पिक करोगे तो आसानी से काउंट नहीं कर पाओगे. देन 5, 3, 12, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 12, and this 3 we had already done at the first place. So all these done. Now let us count. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 12, 31. 31 plus 3, 34. 34 plus 5, 39. 39 plus 3, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. 47 plus 3, 50. 50 plus 12, 62. So answer is 62 centimeter. It's clear. If you are not getting the addition, you can place all these in column and then add. But try to do oral addition. मैं oral addition के लिए आपको बोलूँगी कि आप orally इसको add करो. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. Now let us do question number 2. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is, first one is 6 centimeter. You have to find out the perimeter of a square whose side is 6 centimeter. All the sides of a square are equal, so one side is 6 centimeter. It means all the sides are 6 centimeter. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply by side. 4 multiply by 6, because side की measurement is 6. 4 6 are 24. Answer is 24. Part C. 12 meter, 6 centimeter. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiply by side. 4 multiply by 12, 12 meter, 6 centimeter. Okay, children. So here side की measurement है 12 meter and 6 centimeter. We can do conversion also. आप एक यूनिट में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, बट आप इसको ड्यूअल यूनिट्स में भी कर सकते हो, ओके, दैट वुड बी सो लेंदी, सो आई थिंक वी शुड डू इट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डली. सो लेट अस डू 12 मीटर एंड 6 सेंटीमीटर. ये साइड की मेजरमेंट है जिसमें दोनों यूनिट कंटेन्स है. सो व्हाट विल वी डू बेटा, पहले हम 6 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन 12 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, पहले सेंटीमीटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन मीटर को. सो 6 4s आर 24, 12 4s आर 48. और आप आगे से भी कर सकते हो. 12 4s आर 48 एंड 6 4s आर 24. Here the answer would be 48 meter 24 centimeter. Next, question number 3. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is equal to 18 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. Children, as you all know, in rectangle we need two properties, that is length and breadth. हमें दोनों ही चाहिए होती है. ओके, so perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 would be same, L means length, B means breadth. So let us write 2 into 18 plus 10. 18 is length, 10 is breadth. 2 would be same, 18 plus 10 is equal to 28. So we will write here 2 into 28. And when we multiply 2 by 28, answer would be 56. So answer would be 56 centimeter. How? 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So answer would be 56 centimeter. Okay children, now let us do exercise 4a. We are going question number 3. We will do question number is same but different part we are doing. So we are doing here part C. Breadth is equal to 180 meter and length is equal to 200 meter. Here the unit is changed, it is in meter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 L is equal to length, B is equal to breadth. Let us put up the values. 2 into 200 plus 180. When you will add 200 and 180, you will get 380. Okay, this is very simple addition. No need to show here. So 2 multiplied by 380. When you will multiply it, so you will get, let us see, 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 1 minute. Yeah, 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to I am writing here 0. 2 8s are 16. Carry 1. Right, carry over there. 2 3s are 6. 6 and 1 7. So answer would be 760 meter. Next is question number 4. Find the perimeter of triangle ABC if this sign is denoting triangle. So triangle ABC का आपको perimeter find out करना है. This one I have told you how to find out the perimeter of triangle. Part A is AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, CA is equal to 8 centimeter. Children, it is not given that triangle is in regular form or it is a regular shape. So आप कैसे करोगे? सारी sides को plus करके. So perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides of the triangle. Triangle के सारी side का sum. So it would be AB plus BC plus CA. Now here we will put the values. AB 6 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter, CA 8 centimeter. When you will add 6 and 7, 13. Okay, 6 and 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 3 and 8 11, sorry, carry over there 1 and 1 2. So answer would be 21 centimeter. Clear, children? Okay, now let us do question number 4. Question is same. Find the parameter of triangle ABC if AB is equal to 2 meter 75 centimeter. CA is equal to 2 meter 60 centimeter and BC is equal to 3 meter. Here children, units are given in both the forms, meter and centimeter, meter centimeter, here only in meter, and this is also at the various place AB, BC, and this is CA. Okay, so you have to arrange and let us write how to find the parameter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides of the triangle. ट्राइंगल की सारी साइड्स का सम करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट अस अरेंज ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए. या हियर वी आर हैविंग ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए. ए बी की मेजरमेंट 2 मीटर 75 सेंटीमीटर, बी सी की मेजरमेंट 3 मीटर, सी ए की मेजरमेंट 2 मीटर 60 सेंटीमीटर. 2 meter 75 centimeter plus 3 meter plus 2 meter 60 centimeter. After arranging in column 2 meter 75 centimeter, it is 3 meter. This is, there is no centimeter, so at the place of centimeter we will put 0. 2 meter 60 centimeter. So this is 2 meter 60 centimeter. Okay, so let us add them. When you will add, so you will get here 5, 7 and 6 13, carry 1, 2 and 1 3, 3 and 3 6, 6 and 2 8. So 8 meter 35 centimeter. Here you will write 8 meter 35 centimeter. Okay children? Now we will do question number 5. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is. Equilateral triangle means whose all the sides are equal, जिसकी सारी sides equal होती है. So in that case it would be a regular figure. और triangle का regular figure के अगर आप formula put करोगे, so that would be parameter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by length of its sides. इसकी sides की length. So 3 multiplied by length क्या है हमारे पास 8 centimeter. Here would be 3 multiplied by 8. 3 8s are 24. So answer would be 24 centimeter. Here we are having triangle formula. Wait once again. Yeah, here we are having the formula for triangle as we are having an equilateral triangle. Okay, otherwise if we are having irregular figure, so formula or the way would be same कि आप सारी लेंथ को का सम फाइंड आउट करके ऐड करोगे. Okay children, so I hope this is understood. Still if you have any confusion you can ask me. Okay, now let us do the next part. Question is same. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is, now we are having side 20 meter. Formula would be same. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by length of its sides. 3 multiplied by 200 as the measurement is 200. When you will multiply 3 by 200, 3 0 0, 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, 3 2s are 6. You would get 600 meter. I hope this is understood. Now let us take homework. and your homework is do exercise 4A, question number 1, parts F to H, and question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 पार्ट बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4, 5 का आपको पार्ट बी करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर का 1 का आपको पार्ट F to H करना है. आई होप दिस इज अंडरस्टूड. So children, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care yourself. And please repeat the video if you don't understand a single thing. अगर आपको कोई भी एक चीज़ भी समझ नहीं आती है, मीन्स पूरी वीडियो आपको समझ में आई, कोई एक टॉपिक आपको नहीं समझ में आया, प्लीज़ रिपीट द वीडियो. Okay, repeatedly watch this video. Thank you.